My people from Biafra, my people from that zoo called Nigeria, I greet everybody. I just want to say something because of the people who say that they are doing independence, Nigeria independence. Are you celebrating a failed state, a failed nation? Are you celebrating a hopeless country? You are in Nigeria, you don't have light, you don't have good road, you don't have good water. The atmosphere you are breathing is not clean. You are dying in sickness, you are dying in hunger, you are celebrating 59 years or 60 years independence. You are very stupid. People like you who celebrate Nigeria independence is the people who always disturb us in Europe here begging money. Begging. But you are celebrating a country a nation who have already put in misery. Poverty is killing you, but they're celebrating that country. Stupid people. I don't have anything to say again. Why I'm making this video is one of our brother, don't know, he based in Lagos. He's a musician. I like his music because he always compose very good music. I like how he's doing he's composing his music, doing some of his forge music. I like his music, I like his style. But I'm disappointed for him to be singing Nigerian national anthem. He want to tell us he know how to sing it. But for him to compose any music, he will go and put generator. But he's celebrating Nigerian independence. He can be able to sing Nigerian national anthem like he's singing poem. You are proud of Nigeria, but you don't have any light. You are proud of Nigeria. Every day your car will go to mechanic because of bad road. You're a hopeless Igbo man. I know that you're Igbo man. You're aware. It makes me to start hating your music. You are proud of a nation who you are a fool. I will tell you this. You're a fool. It's a fair nation. Those people ruling us, they are monster. Demonic leaders who doesn't care about the young generation. And you, who always we are doing Independence Day. After tomorrow, you call me on WhatsApp and say I should give you money. Thunder kill you, strike you. They are poverty. These leaders will make people poor. There people will die in poverty there. You are celebrating. You are celebrating independence. I make it. This is my policy. Anybody who support Nigeria will not get anything from me. Like my junior sister, she supported Buhari the first tenure. I was looking at her. Oh, I always tell her, go and take it from Buhari. Anything you want, go to Buhari and get it. I am not going to give you anything to the Buhari finish his second tenure. From his first tenure to second tenure. All of you should go to Buhari to Asorok and collect it from Buhari. I am not ready to give 1 naira to anybody. Whenever I didn't have, talk less to give. Have I feed myself, talk less to give anybody? If I am in Nigeria, maybe I will be a poor man today. People who finish university, master's degree, they couldn't get job. Talk less of us who couldn't finish secondary school. I stopped in SS1. People who finish, they have their PhD. They are in Nigeria begging me money. Begging me who is drop out from secondary school. Begging me. Some of them are still living in their father's home. Begging me. I am not posing feeling too big or what. Because if I work hard by his grace, but it's not from my power. It's not from my power, by his grace, the grace of God. That's why I'm here today. I escaped from poverty. Again, the problem of we Nigerians, pastors are causing this too. Because of these criminal leaders who always go to church and do campaign. Give pastors money. Pastors is telling you get magic money, miracle. They can't stand and confront the leaders who come there to make campaign in their church and say you people are causing the problem of this. The masses of Nigeria is the leaders. They will collect money, collect jeep from them and telling you to go and pray. Pray. In Europe here they don't pray. European people don't pray. They believe you have to work hard. Their leaders are patriotic to their motherland. Our leaders are criminals. And you, that Igbo guy always compose music. I don't know his name. I forget his name. He have his beers is like the Judah. Always compose the one say don't know. I forget one of his music. Always sing for with the Calabar, with the Igbo, with the Yoruba, with the I don't know his name. Forget his name. There's a time he win an award. I love you. I like how you sing your music. You always compose and do your forge. Really, I always put interest in your music. You know. But since I see you singing that Nigerian anthem, I hate you. You're a hopeless idiot. You're a hopeless bunkum. Nigeria is a failed state. I'm not proud. In Europe here, we identify ourselves as a Biafrans. I am not a Nigeria. Nigeria forced by my. What is the meaning of Nigeria? Okay, go to dictionary. Go to people who say that they are educated. What is the meaning of Nigeria? Let us, if any village in my city have a meaning, what is the meaning of that Nigeria? What the meaning of that Nigeria? Somebody will come from abroad, from Western world and come and say, you, from today you are Nigeria. We accepted it. That's why black man, we are fool. Anybody who said that he's proud of that failed state, lawless country, the judiciary will say, I release Sowore, you people cannot release him. No any foreign investment will come to Nigeria. We continue discouraging them. They can't come there. They will not come there and invest because it's a lawless country. South Africa is better than us in terms of they are killing people. We are our own. We don't obey the law. Lawless nation, lawless country, fake country. We are a Biafra. Biafra is coming. Nonsense, Nigeria. Idiot Nigeria. No any foreign investment you should go to Nigeria and invest. It's a lawless country. Fulani herdsmen are killing people everywhere. Tell me any white man who is going there to invest. See, England said Nigeria will pay them. For them to come and invest, they are taking the little one we have in reserve, foreign reserve. Where there is no security. You want me to come and invest my money? I will be alive and eat that money. It's not somebody when you are alive you can make profit. No any foreign country we discourage them. They should go there. That country we want the economy to fall and die. Let everybody die hunger at the same time. Nonsense country.